Completed in 1906, the McFaddin-Ward House has more than 24 rooms spread over 3 floors. Situated on the east side of the first floor, the library served many purposes for the McFaddin family, evolving over decades as tastes and decorating styles changed. It was a place for relaxation, intimate family gatherings, and informal entertaining. The library decor reflects a later period than that of other first-floor rooms. In the 1940s, the room was converted from a dark arts and crafts style library into a more modern example of a living room with more comfortable furniture. Local interior decorator Thurza Looney was hired to complete the changes, introducing the pickled oak woodwork and green wall color. 2 bookcases, primarily filled with large reference books and complementary shades, add color to the room and served as an indication of the family's social status. The floor is made of oak with pickled oak woodwork trim. A large window with leaded and beveled glass provides a view of the east lawn. The southeast corner of the library provides an interior entrance to the sun porch. The stunning chandelier was purchased in New Orleans in 1935. The arts and crafts style fireplace is wood burning with the slab oak mantel. It includes a fire box with wrought iron hardware and bricks made by the Laclede Fire Brick Manufacturing Company of St. Louis. Beautiful portraits of Ida and W.P.H. McFaddin, commissioned by their daughter Mamie McFaddin-Ward in memory of her parents, hang on the north wall and above the fireplace. Schedule an admission-free tour of the historic McFaddin-Ward House Museum to see the homey features of the library in person.